let's go ahead and follow these steps. We'll go ahead and create our first products. We'll do add designs. So as we can see here, we recommend high resolution JPG, PNG, or GIFs, right? We downloaded our work in PNGs that will make our work successfully, that will help us successfully upload our work on Redbubble, and it'll be compatible with Redbubble. Let's go ahead and hit upload our new work. Let's go ahead and hit thank you flyer. That's it, guys. We've successfully uploaded our image for our thank you for your purchase sticker. We could title it as thank you sticker. Also, guys, pro tip while you're while you're inserting your title, might want to use best selling thank you sticker. That way, a lot of customers do want to use keywords to enter and find their products. That way we're fulfilling that criteria of inserting keywords and helping us make those sales. In tags, we can insert some tags that are relevant to our sticker. We can do stickers, t-shirts, thank you, purchase. In the description, we could just say thank you stickers. So as you can see here below, we can go ahead and put this product on either t-shirts or stickers and magnets, phone cases, comforters, curtains, print cards. But what I'd like you guys to focus on is to focus on standard print clothing and stickers and magnets. These are the only two products that we want to focus on in order to successfully have a small business, an online business that would create a good amount of passive income. The reason being, in the previous modules, we've witnessed that the standard print clothing t-shirts and the stickers and magnets are the best selling two products on Redbubble. And we'd want to focus on these two first, and then we can go ahead and once you've mastered on making sales on these two products, then you can go ahead and expand your shop and enable other products and put designs on them. Also, you guys can just enable all the products if you'd like. And once a customer can view your shop, if they like any other products with the design on, they can go ahead and purchase it. This will allow us to not leave any money on the table. We'll go ahead and enable all of these products that are available and that suit our design and would help us make some sales. Before we go ahead and move forward with this, we can also go ahead and edit these products, meaning we can go ahead and edit how and where we want to, place our design on the product. For example, you can size your product, you can center it as well. But for this, I'm just going to disable all the products. That way we'll see how our shop looks with only our sticker. As you can see, Redbubble provides a lot of products that we can put our designs on. So please try and leverage that. You guys could also do pin buttons. A lot of people use pin buttons to put on their clothing, on their backpacks. So let's disable. We are already disabled, and we'll just do digital arts, and we're going to set the default product in our shop as a sticker. as we previously talked, sticker is the best selling product on Redbubble, and we'd want to see them we want to make our customers see that we're selling amazing stickers, amazing thank you stickers that they can purchase. And that's what your shop will have on the homepage. And here we'll go ahead and hit this. It's just the terms and conditions. And this looks good. We'll go ahead and do save work. Oh, also, this is not mature content, so I'm gonna hit no here. And then save work. Processing. Oh, there we go, guys. As you guys can see here, our best-selling sticker is in our shop, and people could go ahead and look for this and purchase it. Just one moment. So now what we'll have to do is we'll have to purchase this design, and so we're the only ones that can purchase this design. We'll have to go ahead and complete the payment details to open our shop. So let's move forward with that.